Hey amigos, Mengabi. A friend of mine is hosting a Korean night barbecue and you guys are gonna join me, okay? So, hali, mga una punta. Yeah. Okay, so this is our resident chef, Honey.
Oh my god.
She prepared all of these. Okay, so Honey, ano-ano kaning oh my god. Ano-ano ma to? Ano? What's that? Yes.
This is beef.
Beef, yes. So we have two beefs.
This is only salt and pepper, and
Yeah.
this one is what you call, forgot, but it's made with gochujang,
Uh-huh.
with sesame oil,
Yeah.
with salt and pepper.
Okay, this one.
This one is just like this,
Uh-huh.
but this is pork.
Pork, yeah.
This is pork, with soy.
Yeah.
Soy sauce and sesame.
Okay, so it just has like a different marinade, no?
Yeah.
And this one is
This one is salt and pepper.
only salt and pepper. Okay.
So let's start with.
Also, wait. You have made all of these side dishes as well. So what's this one?
This is the onion leaves.
Uh huh. Okay, onion leaves.
Onion leaves.
Yeah.
Side dish.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the
What's that?
gherkin. Ano ba yung gherkin?
Cucumber?
Cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber.
This is homemade kimchi, but this is fresh kimchi.
Okay, fresh kimchi. Yeah.
Fresh kimchi, so it's not sour at all. It's somewhat sweet,
Yeah.
Pinoy style.
Okay.
This is your favorite.
Yeah, my favorite eggplant, sesame oil.
And oyster.
Uh huh.
This is cheese with
Uh-huh.
apple. This is corn, apple, and onion.
Okay. This one is
This is the steamed egg.
steamed egg. Okay.
I prepared this earlier. That's
Oh.
why it's sunk. Out.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the noodles.
And mushrooms and some lettuce. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, Honey made all of these. She prepared all of these all by herself.
Any more gochujang? That's why I made our homemade
Gochujang.
sauce. Yeah.
Oh wow.
So we'll start.
Wow. Okay. Okay, but before we continue, guys, let's give a warm welcome to our resident muse, Mona. Oh, again. Oh, ah.
They're naman inspired si Mona.
Yeah.
Sana all.
So this is what we usually do every time we are on our ops. We have a get together and eat a lot. This is such a Filipino thing to do. But we're eating Korean tonight though. Yay!
Kagabi pa ako di kumakain. Hoy! Sabi mo sa akin kumain ka kayo ng madami kasi kaya mo naman.
So okay lang. Busog ka naman. Busog na? So pause muna.
Percent na pala ng percent.
Percent? So everyone's so tired right now. We are on our second round now. Daryl is cooking what's left of the meat that we haven't cooked earlier. So just got home now and all I can say is that it's a Filipino party if there's so much food and some karaoke involved and maybe some drinks. So dagang salamat sa pagtanaw and I'm hoping all is well wherever you are. Hantad sa sunod, maayong gabi. Tschüss!